Hello, let us introduce you to Joe's Dashboards. Joe's Dashboards is a fully featured application which allows you to manage work orders, track warranties, account for all costs, and much more. It consists of a lightning-fast setup. All you need is the vehicle VIN number, and Joe does the rest. Account for every drop of fuel spent by keeping track of the amount of fuel, its cost, and vehicle meter values, all in real time. Real-time incident reports allow drivers to use their phones and cameras to create reports that are pushed instantly. Real-time inspection reports instantly update the vehicle's inspection status the moment a work order is completed. With vehicle recall notifications, Joe will automatically remind you when a vehicle is due for a job. Take advantage of our current special offer and only pay $3 per vehicle per month if you have more than 5 vehicles in your fleet. Vehicle-specific maintenance plans allow you to minimize breakdowns disruptive to your daily operation and extend the life of each vehicle. Stay organized by digitally recording transactions and work orders. Joe takes care of fetching maintenance plans to make it super easy to manage work orders and record transactions. For further questions and information, please feel free to contact one of our associates. We hope you see how Joe's Dashboards can be an asset in your business. Goodbye.